1 gennaio 2025, con una certa gradualità, entrerà in vigore il regolamento europeo sull'Health Technology Assessment, che, come è noto, è una procedura multidisciplinare di valutazione delle tecnologie sanitarie, farmaci e dispositivi medici in primis. Quale sarà l'impatto del regolamento europeo sulle aziende del settore? Lo abbiamo chiesto a Herbert Altmann, a capo del Market Access di Cencora Pharma, che abbiamo incontrato qui a Roma a margine del 10° workshop sul drug pricing. Herbert, a very short question. The new European regulation for HTA for the companies, for pharma companies, it's an opportunity or a threat?
I think in general, the new HTA regulation, which will be implemented January 25, is an opportunity for pharma companies, especially in this European context, because at the moment, pharma companies have to submit 27 different dossiers, and with this centralized process, hopefully, only one JCA report will replace a lot of redundancy in the procedure. That is one of the objectives of the European Commission when they were deciding to implement and establish such a new process.
And the dark side of the HTA regulation, there is a dark side or not?
Yes, I think there is a lot of uncertainty still. What does this regulation mean and how to best prepare for it? How to involve all the different stakeholders like the clinicians, the patient organizations? How will manufacturers and HTA body collaborate to find out what is the best assessment methodology also for bringing innovative medicines to patients as fast as possible.
Cencora Pharmalex is a global company, so you have the possibility to listen, to work with many companies around Europe, around the globe. Pharma companies are prepared for this new challenge of the HTA regulation?
Yeah, I think many try to prepare and get into the details to understand how to best prepare for it. But of course, there is still a lot of work to do, especially for smaller and mid-sized companies, a challenge because they have 1 or 2 products in 3-4 years to launch. And it's difficult to establish the resources and the insights to successfully prepare for that. Of course, we have this experience with many companies, with a big pharma, but also small and mid-sized companies, and hopefully can support everybody to better understand and prepare for this process successfully.
You have some suggestion to provide to this company, especially the smaller ones?
Yeah, my major suggestion would be act now. Don't wait. Don't only watch and see, but get involved and prepare your internal organization, how to deal and prepare with the new requirements, but also reach out to the HTA network and to other healthcare system stakeholders to best understand what is needed and make your innovative product successful.